Third prize goes to Jesus Prayer House, Bhavanapura. Third prize goes to Bharata Ministries, Madhuranagar. Teacher and children also again. ఆ బ్యాంకుతో పాల్గొన్న పిల్లలు రావచ్చు. And first prize goes to Telugu Baptist Church, Kudusma. First prize goes to Telugu Baptist Church, Kudusma. Okay. Okay. Thank you. First prize.
అది అక్కడ ఉన్నారు మధ్యలో